Okay, let's dive right in. If you're a creator, an entrepreneur, or really anyone building something online, the ground is literally shifting under our feet. What worked last year, heck, even last month, is becoming obsolete faster than we can keep up. So in this explainer, we're going to break down exactly what's changing and, more importantly, how you can get way ahead of the curve. And this is the central question, isn't it? It feels like every single week there's some new AI tool, a new platform, a new strategy that promises to change everything. It is so easy to feel like you're constantly playing catch up. But what if you could actually see what's coming next and get in front of it? To really understand just how much the game has changed, let's start with a number: $10 million a year. That's what one of the world's top earning influencers is pulling in from major brand deals and sponsorships. I mean, that's an absolutely incredible achievement. Except, here's the twist. She's not real. She is 100% generated by AI. This isn't science fiction anymore, you guys. This is the new reality of content and influence, and it just goes to show how disruptive this technology truly is. The old rules are officially out the window. So let's break down exactly why your old playbook just won't cut it anymore. We're going to look at the three biggest creator moats, the things that used to protect you, that are crumbling as we speak, and what you need to build in their place. Now, this might sound a little bit like fear-mongering, I get it, but it's a direct quote from a top AI CEO. And the crucial point here isn't that AI is going to replace creators, it's about it fundamentally changing the environment in which we all create. The entire landscape is being reshaped. Okay, so what's really interesting about this is how it breaks it all down. That huge follower count you've been building, well, it's becoming less important than a tight-knit community you build with. Pumping out tons of content every day, it's no match for a sticky, authentic, personal brand. The kind of brand that connects with people on a deeper level and keeps them coming back? That's something AI can't just replicate. And chasing viral hits? That's a losing game when AI can create hyper-personalized content for every single viewer in real time. The new moats are all about depth, not just scale. So, if the old tactics are fading out, what's the new approach? Well, it's not about working harder. It's about a fundamental shift in your mindset, moving from being a hustler to becoming a system builder. This quote right here really gets to the heart of it. We all know hustle culture can get you started, but man, it can lead to serious burnout. It's literally trading your time directly for money. Systems, on the other hand, are assets that work for you, creating leverage and ultimately freedom. And this brilliantly illustrates that journey. So many of us start as the hustler, right? We're doing everything ourselves, feeling like we're on a hamster wheel that never stops. The goal is to evolve into the system builder, someone who designs these automated machines for content, for sales, for lead generation, all running in the background. So what does a system builder actually focus on? First, they build what you could call a trust machine, a content system that consistently delivers value and turns viewers into customers without any of that hard selling. They also get laser focused on solving one key problem for one specific type of person. And they build a whole portfolio of income streams, things like courses, digital products, affiliate deals, so they're not totally reliant on unpredictable ad income. Now, the good news is you don't have to build all these systems from scratch. The amazing thing about this revolution is that the tools to gain a serious, almost unfair advantage are more accessible than ever. AI isn't your replacement, it's your new co-pilot. I mean, really think about that for a second. What if you could offload, say, 80% of the tedious work, the video editing, the audio cleanup, the script writing, the graphic design, to an AI partner? That would free you up to focus on the big picture creative stuff. And you don't need some super complex software for this. This is all inside Canva. Imagine this workflow. You film one long video, then you use the highlights tool to automatically pull 5 viral clips for social media. Then you use enhanced voice to make the audio sound perfect, and then you remove the background for a custom thumbnail, all in under 10 minutes. That is the power of these tools. And it's not just Canva. Google's free AI image generator is incredibly powerful. The key, though, is to be super specific with your prompts. Instead of just saying ebook cover, try something like minimalist ebook cover for a book about productivity with a brain icon and a yellow and black color scheme. You can create professional-looking assets in seconds for zero cost. Okay, so we've got the right mindset and we've got the right tools. But where should we point them? let's talk about some of the biggest untapped opportunities that are just sitting there, waiting for you right now. This slide lays out two beautiful, low-cost business models. You can use ChatGPT and Canva to create simple digital planners and worksheets to sell on Etsy. Or you can find popular books that are in the public domain, use AI to help you repurpose them into unique journals or workbooks, and sell them on Amazon KDP. Both have incredibly minimal startup costs and can become automated income streams. Now, for our final opportunity, let's look at another staggering number: $190 million. What if I told you that was the revenue boost one company saw in just a few months from a single, widely overlooked strategy? That strategy wasn't about old-school SEO. It was all about mastering online reputation management. See, in a world where AI can generate endless content and faceless brands, real human trust is the ultimate currency. Your reputation is your most powerful, non-replicable asset. So the crucial point is to be systematic about it. You have to actively collect and share customer reviews. Use Q&A tools on your site to create pages that answer real customer questions and rank on Google. And most importantly, see negative reviews not as a threat, but as an opportunity. Responding to them with grace and a real solution builds more trust than a dozen 5-star reviews ever could. So, as we wrap up, the big takeaway is this: the AI revolution isn't something to fear. It's an invitation to build smarter, faster, and more creatively than ever before. The tools are here, the opportunities are clear. The only question left is, what are you going to build with them?